In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up delegate access in Google Calendar. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to grant someone else the ability to manage your calendar, whether that means just seeing when you're available or handling all your appointments. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up Google Calendar in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that's linked to the calendar you want to share. Once you're there, you'll see the calendar interface with a sidebar on the left. On this sidebar, under My Calendars, you'll find all the different calendars associated with your account. Hover your mouse over the specific calendar you wish to delegate access for. As you hover, you'll notice 3 vertical dots appear next to it. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to bring up a menu. In this menu, you'll want to select Settings and Sharing. This option will take you to a new page with all the settings related to that particular calendar. Now, you'll need to scroll down to find the Share with Specific People section. This is where you can manage who gets access to your calendar and what level of access they have. To start the sharing process, click on the plus Add People and Groups button. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to enter the email address of the person or group you want to delegate. Make sure to input the correct email address so that the invite gets to the right place. Once you've added the intended recipient, you'll see a list of permissions you can grant. These permissions range from simply letting them view when you're busy to allowing them to make changes and manage sharing, essentially full delegate access. Take a moment to consider what level of access you want to give the person. If you're sharing it with a colleague who needs to manage your schedule closely, you might opt for full delegate access. On the other hand, if someone just needs to know when you're free or busy, choose the See Only Free Busy Hide Details option. Once you've decided on the appropriate level of access, click the Send button. The person you've delegated will receive an email invitation to access your calendar. After they accept the invitation, the level of permissions you granted will be activated, allowing them to perform tasks like adding events, editing existing entries, or managing the entire calendar, depending on your chosen settings. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up delegate access for your Google Calendar. This will not only streamline how you manage your schedule, but also foster better collaboration with colleagues who need visibility into your availability. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our videos for other time-saving tips and tricks.